Oh, okay guys, I'm at Ikea and I'm not really I don't need anything from Ikea, but like some people will, I don't know, they just hang out with their friends and they're bored. They might go to the beach. I come to Ikea, walk around, because it's like a maze in there, and there's a restaurant, a 2-hour like time limit to get there. It's 8:37, they close at 9. Let's make this quick. All right, see you inside. Forgot to lock the car. All right. Okay.
I do not understand the complexity of planning.
Black baguette. Ram bear, get one. We need more. Okay, we gotta get donuts. We got like 1 minute. Oh, that's nice. We're needing to buy some mushrooms for the apartment. I do it all the time. People do it. We gotta zoom.
Good evening, IKEA visitors. The time is now 9 p.m. and the store is officially closed. Please bring your final selections to the main checkouts. IKEA will be open at
My hair's a mess right now. I don't even think my hat's on forward. They're closed. All right, come back. Ground. Oh. Okay. Open. I legitimately had to find someone to help me get out of the store because I got lost. The door locked. Jesus. I'm trying to get out. And then if the alarm goes off. I was gonna go out the car exit right there. I'm not gonna be able to get out. At least there's beds here we can sleep in. Oh Jesus. Hey, the door's locked. Where can I go? Okay. What are these shenanigans? Why are they putting me through so much? I'm coming from the warehouse way over there. I don't know where I was going. I got lost. This is what happened. You know, I had some fun. Ikea is an airport. Delta Airlines. The fuck the B part. Start, bitch. There you go, Big Betsy. Asshole. Honey, I drive a Tesla. You wanna know why I call it asshole? Because some asshole scratched out the side of my car like 2 years ago. I mean, I gave him credit, not gonna lie. It's my Ikea run. It's pretty fun. Reminder, kids, safety first. And honestly, if you have a passenger in the car, it's like low-key aggravating if you don't put your seatbelt on because it just beeps every time you reach like 20. It's not on right now because this shit is literally a fat shit. I don't want to deal with that. You want to die? All the pencils are still in my pocket. There's still more. They spill everywhere in the car. I'm so sorry. Oh shit. Bitch better run. Let's get to getting. Me a YouTube pen. It's actually like pretty fucking cool. Oh yeah, apparently it's illegal to drive with your lights on in your car. The cop pulled me over, but he didn't give me a ticket. He was like, I saw you riding with your dome lights on. You're going you're going like 4 miles over. And I was like, okay. I've seen cops going like fucking 20 over, and then I like speed up to them, and then I look over and I'm like, they're like, and they like speed up because they don't want to be near me. I'm sorry, maybe I was looking for my McDonald's sandwich. Where the fuck is my goddamn cheeseburger? But sometimes maybe I have to just beat one of the kids in the back because they're not behaving and they're being annoying or they're just sitting there for no reason.
Run it up.
Bitch, let me over! This is why I hate people down in fucking like South Florida. They don't know how to drive.
All right.
What did you say?
My grandma told me to give these to you.
Told me to give you. Wait a minute. Are these fucking condoms? I love you, Grandma.